Hi, my name is Smurford Jean Compton, but you can call me Smurf. I'm 34 years old and I can be your next rockstar virtual assistant. Now, what I have are bountiful skills of experience I've owned for the past 10 years. I began my freelance journey back in 2011 on Odesk, now known as Upwork platform, and I believe my greatest strength lies in my versatility. Rather than confining myself to one skill, I actively seek opportunities to explore new avenues and push my limits. I've gained experience in various fields, including data analyst, admin support, customer service representative, front end web developer, e commerce virtual assistant, chat support representative, and affiliate marketer. Running your business online is my passion. So let us work together and I will give you a great deal, especially if it's your my first time to be my client. With all these experiences I have, I know that I can be an asset in your company. So thank you for your attention and I look forward to working with you. See you.